First, what you want to do is grab a deep pot and add about 4 inches of water. Set the heat to high and let it come to a boil. While you wait for your water to boil, crack an egg into the mesh and strain out all the extra white liquid that we don't need. This liquid causes the wispies in the water. We don't want the wispies, so straining it out really helps get that perfect poached egg that we want. Now that your water has come to a high boil, lower the temperature all the way to low. You want to allow only bubbles at the bottom of the pot and none on the top. Now all you have to do is add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use white vinegar or even apple cider vinegar. I promise your eggs will not taste like vinegar. Now, using a spoon, spin the water around, creating a vortex. You're going to want to do this until you get a really nice swirl, and then all you have to do is simply drop the egg into the water. Allow it to cook on low for about 3 minutes for a perfect runny poached egg. Now, if you want a more firmer yolk, allow it to boil for another minute, but I like a firm white and a liquidy yolk, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out at 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna place it on a paper towel or just on a plate so it can dry. And there you have it, a perfectly poached egg shape. Now, that's not always the case. Sometimes you will have some wispies, and if you do, just grab a knife or some kitchen scissors and just slightly trim the top or the bottom of the wispies. There we have it, a perfectly poached egg. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video.